Alright kids, let's kick off today with something super cool. Can you actually catch ice with just a string? No way, let's try it. Welcome to Little Genius Lab. Today's experiment is ice fishing with salt. Let's see how salt helps us lift ice without even touching it. Step 1. Drop a few ice cubes into a bowl. Step 2. Lay a piece of string gently across the ice. Step 3. Sprinkle a little salt on top. Step 4. Wait a few seconds, then lift the string slowly. Observation. Salt melts the ice surface for a moment. When it refreezes, it locks the string in place, letting you catch the ice cube like magic. Allah says, He sends down rain from the sky and brings forth fruits of different colors. Even melting and freezing follow Allah's perfect design. Every tiny process is a sign of His wisdom. Science is full of surprises. Remember, this is your Little Genius Lab. Like, subscribe, and share. What other cold experiments should we try next? I want to hear your results.